To Bull Bay, St. Andrew now, where residents are facing trying times because of ongoing violence in the area. Since the start of this year, 3 residents have been killed and guns bark at nights. Kirkwright has been tracking this developing story and now tells us the very latest.
These days, residents of Bull Bay, an area located between St. Andrew and St. Thomas, only leave their homes if it's absolutely necessary. The reason? Gun violence, which has been plaguing the communities. And persons don't need to be involved directly in the war to be targeted. Residents point out that one of the men killed recently met his fate because someone connected to him was accused of killing a fisherman from the 10 miles area of Bull Bay. Those are 2 of the 3 killings in the area since the start of the year. The police say last year 13 of 67 killings were from the Bull Bay area. Even people of unsound mind were not spared. 4 were killed.
They were killed and then there are reprisals. People are reprising persons who do not possess that kind of awareness, mental awareness, to know that they shouldn't walk in certain areas.
Now, this pile of scorched zinc in front of me was once roofing material to a bar that was here up until Monday night when someone torched it. A house that's adjacent to the bar was also set ablaze. Luckily, only 1 room was destroyed, but the police have said that this forms part of another round of the violence that's affecting the people out here in Bull Bay.
Right now, I don't know my head from my foot. I don't know nowhere because I don't even last. Can't even think straight.
Finding the perpetrators is a major challenge for the police. The rugged terrain which dominates Bull Bay helps the criminals but hurt the police.
It is not beyond us, but it would be much, much easier if we had cooperation from the citizens.
Residents who do not trust the police keep vital information from the cops. But for the police, it's something else.
They know the gunmen. They know the relatives of the gunmen. But they see them as protectors for one area or the other area. And that is what the problem is. I won't give information on this person because this person is somewhere related to me or somewhere related to a neighbor.
A resident from Taylorland says the security forces could use other means to curb the violence. She says it has happened before.
The soldier them did step in and them camp, and after them camp, before the mountain, them used to walk through and them used to go yard to yard if them say anything funny. Them camp all the way up in the depths of gypsy up in there. So them used to camp. And when them camp, them have a mini camp over here. So. And all of the bad men, them run, over go foreign, and over dead out, them.
And those were the days when maybe the only place in Kingston Eastern that was giving the kind of trouble was Bull Bay or Taylorland.
What's usually a mystery, though, is how the war usually starts. But that's not unique to the Bull Bay community. And in this instance, where 9, 10, and 11 miles are at war, the story differs depending on who you speak with.
I cannot say no to that. I can't say no to that.
In spite of all that's happening, and despite residents complaining of being fearful, the police say Bull Bay is not under siege. And also this.
It is cause for concern that we have had 2 murders in East Kingston, well, in Bull Bay, since the start of the year. I honestly would not consider that as being overwhelming. Mark, we should not have any.
Kirkwright, TVJ News.